Why stress over something you can't change? Sometimes God reduces your circles because He heard conversation you did not. Don't ask why. Some people are only in our life for a season. I am not afraid of storm, for I am learning to sail my ship. I woke up, I have clothes to wear, I have running water, I have food to eat. Life is good. I am thankful. You can tell a lot about a person by what they choose to see in you. To be beautiful means to be yourself. You don't need to be accepted by others. You need to accept yourself. You can tell a lot about a person by what they choose to see you in. I literally love being at home, in my space, comfortable, not surrounded by people. A great relationship is about two things. First, appreciating the similarities, and second, respecting the differences. Go where you are loved, stay where it's consistent. We live in a society where money is more valuable than human's life, sadly.